How to get Meta AI chat on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you get Meta AI chat on Messenger. So let's get started. On this process, at first, you'll have to just check for the application updates whether it's available for your device or not. So for that, open up the App Store or Play Store. Alright, after you open App Store, here you have to search for the application Messenger. Alright, after you find the application Messenger, from here you can easily tap on the option update to update latest version of Messenger on your device, and after you update the latest version, you'll have to back from here and open up your Messenger application. Alright, as you can see, after you update at the bottom left, you can easily tap on the option Ask Meta AI, and after I tap on that, I will be able to use the Meta AI chat on Messenger. So if you are not still finding the option, you'll have to tap on menu just at the bottom right. From here, tap on settings, and from the settings section, scroll down at the bottom and tap on the option report a problem. From here, tap on report anyway. Okay, tap on include. Okay, so from this section you'll have to briefly explain your problem, that what problem you are suffering on Messenger, and after you briefly explain your problem, tap on the option send just at the top right, and after you send the problem on Facebook Messenger support, your problem will be reviewed, and from that way they will provide you some guidelines or procedure to fix that problem on your Messenger. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.